after the disappearance of several people under the mysterious circumstances around Europe and remain clueless. The only clue that they have the case is the common mysterious type of records scattered across the rest of Israel. Those tapes are only contain unjudgable noise, but who knows what message is buried down. Today we're playing White Noise Online. Who should I go? Oh my god, oh my god. These are like rip-offs of Scooby-Doo characters. Young to be starting a business. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm afraid that it's gonna come up on me. Wait one sec. Watch out. Who's gonna come around the corner? I don't know. I don't know. What tapes? Oh shit, what the hell was that? Exit. Oh